Okay. All right. Good morning, everybody. And I do think that Dr. Brenneman is doing a lot of fishing and hunting because every time I get on the phone with him, it's like, wait a second, I'm catching one. So, uh, anyway, well, first of all, it's a pleasure to be here. I would like to, as Dr. Monfort said, I'm Clemen Oliveira, and I'm the new peanut and pecan pathologist here at the UGA Tifton campus. And I would like to briefly introduce myself, provide a vision of the program moving forward, and a little bit of preliminary results that we collect from last season. So I grew up on a dairy and cattle farm, and growing up on a farm, I quickly learned how challenging can be growing crops, but also how rewarding it can be. So on the farm, some of these issues that we face actually motivated me to try to understand better especially how disease works. So I moved on to pursue a higher education on disease management, and I did a lot of studies on below ground pathogens, below ground diseases, especially in strawberries in Plant City, Florida, where I did my PhD at the University of Florida. So when I finished my PhD, I kind of want to have a different view of the agriculture industry. So I went to the private sector, and I was a field rep for a little over 2 years in the Southeast, mainly doing product development on new and commercial products. So then in 2025, I joined UGA, and I was able to overlap for a little bit 3 months with Dr. Brenneman. It was an extremely valuable experience. I also was able to wrap up the season last year that Dr. Brenneman had started. So in the vision for the program moving forward, one of the things is I really value and appreciate listening to the growers' issues, to the industry, to the pressing problems. And with listening to these problems, I would like to be in connection with the extension agents, Dr. Cameron, Dr. Monfort, the UGA peanut team, to be listening to those problems, connect with county agents in growing meetings like this one, to turn these problems into research projects into the lab and use science to investigate, linking these problems with applied research. And of course, doing collaboration within UGA specialists and outside of the UGA institution as well. And with the goal of delivering practical, profitable disease management solutions by listening to the growers, applying science, and working in collaboration. So some of the things I have been thinking to continue as well as to expand in some topics is, and I'm a big fan of integrated disease management, which means using different multiple strategies to reduce risk, protect yield, and improve profitability. And some of the things I have been in mind is seed treatment. How can we expand more on that and to improve stand and vigor? Cover crop, can we use cover crops to suppress disease and improve yields? Cultivar selection, continue the work with looking for resistance to white mold and nematodes and even perhaps other diseases. Pathogen biology, how can we better understand these diseases so that we can improve management decisions? And perhaps agriculture, precision agriculture, is there a way where we can do targeted applications or even using pivot to deliver the fungicide, some ideas to try to reduce cost. So one of those, as I mentioned, cultivar selection, this is a trial that Dr. Brenneman has established for over 15 years, or if not more, I believe, with great support of the National Peanut Board, which I thank a lot, in collaboration with the breeders and the farm crew that makes this work possible. So I'm showing here some preliminary results where you can see on the y-axis here, you have the white mold length, which is pretty much what I'm referring to. The length is how far does the symptom of the white mold goes into the research plot. And here I have a picture of this length. Then on the x-axis, we have the yield pounds per acre. And what we are targeting is mainly on this gray box where we have a reduced length of the white mold symptoms in those cultivars and a higher yield. You can see the TIFT NV, Georgia 12Y, and TIFT TB has, from the last year data, has shown very promising, as well as other breeding lines that are on the way. So we are continuing this work this year, and I'm looking forward to see the outcomes on that. With that, I have the updated picture of the group. I have my two new students, Marianne and Alana. Corey and Lansing, our field manager, Johanna, the postdoc, and I'm very excited to support the peanut industry. Thank you.